Top 5 photo editing apps with one-tap filters.
Discover the best free apps that make photo editing easy. These apps offer powerful one-tap filters, instantly transforming your pictures. Whether you're sharing on social media or keeping memories for yourself, these tools deliver impressive results with minimal effort. Let's explore 5 top apps that help you achieve stunning photos in seconds.
1. Snapseed.
Snapseed is a popular free photo editor from Google. Its simple interface features a range of one-tap filters called looks. Just select a look to instantly enhance your photo. With tools for brightness, color, and detail, Snapseed offers both beginner-friendly filters and advanced options for edits with minimal effort.
2. VSCO.
VSCO is known for its elegant filters inspired by classic film effects. With just one tap, you can apply a unique mood or style to your image. The free version comes with a curated selection of filters and basic editing tools, making it easy to enhance photos without any technical skills.
3. Adobe Photoshop Express.
Adobe Photoshop Express brings powerful editing to smartphones. Its collection of one-tap filters, called looks, allows quick photo transformations. Choose from options for portraits, landscapes, or vibrant effects. The app also offers easy crop, straighten, and blemish removal features, all available at no cost.
4. Picsart.
Picsart combines creativity and simplicity. Its one-tap filters, known as effects, dramatically change your photos in moments. From artistic looks to fun styles, Picsart makes it simple to experiment. The free version provides a wide variety of instant filters and essential editing tools for eye-catching images.
5. Prisma.
The Prisma stands out with its artistic one-tap filters that turn photos into paintings or sketches. You can select from a range of styles inspired by famous artists. Prisma applies these effects with a single tap, offering a creative way to transform ordinary photos into artwork with minimal effort.
Conclusion.
These 5 free apps make photo editing fast and fun. With one-tap filters, anyone can enhance their images instantly. Whether you love classic looks, artistic effects, or simple enhancements, there's an app on this list for everyone. Try them out and see how easy it is to create amazing photos with just a single tap.